questions on the courts. First of all, the president's talking about a rigorous deliberative process. Are you confident that that can happen in the time frame that Senator Schumer is talking about, of about a 1-month confirmation process from start to finish once the announcement is made?
That's not a timeline we have set. What our focus is on and the president's focus is on, first, of course, is selecting through a rigorous process a candidate who's eminently qualified, who again is worthy of the excellency and dignity and decency of Justice Breyer's legacy. And then the president's intention, even in advance of that, of course, is to work in good faith with leaders and ranking members and chairs of both parties to move this process forward. He wants that process to move forward expeditiously, and he is certainly hopeful that everyone will come to the table in good faith. Oh, okay. Well, I care about childcare. But we are not here to set a timeline from here. Our focus is on, of course, the president nominating a highly qualified nominee, consulting with the Senate, and getting her confirmed.
But given that that's the timeline that the Senate Democrats are already talking about, is a 1-month process something the White House is comfortable with? Do you think that could work, or do you think that might rush the process?
Again, I think I spoke to what our view is. Go ahead.
Thanks, Jen. Can you explain a little bit more, first off, why the end of February deadline that the president said? Why did he commit himself to that? What is it about that timeline that appeals to him and urged him to?
I think he was attempting to give all of you a sense of his process and how much of a priority this is for him to put forward an eminently qualified nominee.
And looking backward, before today,
Yeah.
when was the last time that the president spoke with Justice Breyer?
I'm not going to get into details of his conversations or engagements with Justice Breyer. Again, it was Justice Breyer's decision to retire, and if he wants to speak to any conversations or his process or notification process, he can certainly do that.
Can you say, have they spoken within the last couple of months? Have they spoken several times over the last year?
I appreciate your effort, but we are going to leave that to Justice Breyer to outline should he decide to.
And a question on a different note, the Biden administration